Welcome to Cooking with John.
Mayonnaise. Blunt. Hot dog.
The cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good.
You don't mean that.
Oil of the olives. Truffle salt.
Powered by meatstew.com. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple way to cook a steak sandwich with a cilantro garlic chimichurri sauce using meatstew.com's flat iron steaks as well as their Kickin Cajun Seasoning. Start off by removing your steaks from the packaging and place them in a dish to prepare for seasoning.
Seasoning.
Season heavily on both sides with the Kickin Cajun Seasoning from meatstew.com. Place them on a grill set to medium-high heat. While those are on the barbecue, it's time to prepare our bread.
Truffle
Take
salt.
some black truffle salt and some melted butter, mix them together, and brush the butter onto the bread.
Bread.
I like the bread you're using.
Take your buttered bread and place them on the barbecue as well. After about 6 to 7 minutes per side, remove your flat iron steaks from the grill. Set the steaks to the side to rest, and while they're resting, prepare your chimichurri sauce.
Chimichurri.
In a food processor, combine 1 bundle of cilantro, 1 bundle of parsley,
Parsley.
3 to 4 garlic cloves, 1 whole jalapeno, the juice of 1 lime, olive oil,
Olive oil's really good for your health, I heard. I like it a lot. It's got good flavor.
salt,
Salt.
and pepper.
Pepper.
Simple and amazing.
Blend this all together until you get a nice smooth consistency.
Ooh, look at that.
Now to prepare the sandwich. Make sure to lay down a nice layer of chimichurri on your bread before you place your steak on it,
You put the chimmy in my churri.
and then an ample amount of chimichurri on top of the steak once you've completed your sandwich. And that to you, my friends, is a flat iron steak sandwich with a garlic cilantro chimichurri sauce powered by meatstew.com from John.